We had multiple faculty say, aha, this is it. I love this. This makes my life easier. Why didn't we use this first? In terms of aligning our program to the new AACN Essentials in competency-based education, we at Merritt University were quite fortunate to receive a grant. We were one of 10 schools selected in the nation and the only school on the West Coast. Once we had that basic foundation under the understanding amongst the faculty, then we decided to bring in the mapping tool that's on the Exxat Prism. We used the curriculum mapping functionality in Exxat Prism to understand, have we closed all the gaps in the AACN CBE Essentials? We run the report to take a look to make sure that we have closed the gaps so that we're not having to do additional work, and if so, we will go back to the drawing board and reevaluate. But I learned a lot of information about Exxat and what they do to offer a perfect platform repository for us to use as nursing faculty to store student data, faculty compliance data. This is something that can house our faculty compliances, the CD, the PALS, the ACLS certifications, etc. We all have a lot that we have to upload. And our RN license, that's critical. I also understand that when we think about, for our nurse practitioner program, the timekeeping for our students to keep track of their hours when in the clinical setting. Well, it's hard to keep track of that. We were using a paper and pen and then finding that students would lose that document. I have to say wholeheartedly, Exxat Prism has saved us so much time. Even though it's the company has been wonderful in terms of uploading a lot of our worksheets for us and the data for us, the fact that the faculty began with the old-fashioned Excel worksheet, of course, but knowing now that we have a one-stop shop for us, this one platform as a wonderful repository to house all of the information that we need, knowing that that will save us time, it's just made life much easier. I keep saying that, I know, but it does make life easier for us. We will have our next accreditation visit and our Board of Registered Nursing visit in 2030. This is 2025, and that's just right around the corner. Normally, it takes 2 years to prepare this data. I'm imagining with all the work that we have upon us now, that having Exxat Prism, we won't have to engage so many people to help us pull together the work, that we can have a much smaller team to be able to pull that data, run the report, analyze it, address whatever issues are still pending. The beauty of it is that when I talk with the Exxat team, if there's something that Exxat Prism does not have for us currently, if I mention it to the team, they will build it for me. And that's been the best bit of information to help us. I think about our family nurse practitioner program. They speak of they being the family nurse practitioner clinical faculty. They speak about the ease of using the timekeeping sheet for students, the ability for the preceptors at the clinical sites to enter feedback, and the ability of the clinical faculty who are assigned to that student and that clinical site to be able to enter feedback as well prior to the final evaluation. So that streamline has really helped. Oftentimes, if we think about the clinical preceptors, they're quite busy, and having to stop and make that separate or additional appointment time to get feedback can be challenging, especially if you're pulling them on the spot. But knowing that data is entered right there at your fingertips in the clinical setting or the clinical site, wherever that student and faculty are, has made it really easy for them. Well, when we think about what improvements and outcomes have we noticed, I worked with one of our faculty, then program director, and that's Dr. Mary Wyckoff. She praises the use of the Exxat for her D&P program, Doctor of Nursing Practice program, how she's able to look at the alignment and where she and her team thought that they had assignments that met or addressed all of the essentials. She realized they were still missing a few. So they've gone back to their team to work again to find out how can we refine our work and make sure that we're meeting the essentials, all the essentials for level 2 categories. And so they've been able to do that work successfully. It has streamlined the work that's needed for them to always go back at the end of each semester or turn and review. So did we meet our outcomes? Did the students meet their outcomes? Let's pull the report and understand where are we? And if we have to make adjustments in the curriculum again after 1 or 2 semesters, they'll do so. And so it's a smaller group for our graduate size, so they're able to pull their group together and convene a meeting and make the changes that are required. I can say that's been very positive because they're so used to using technology, having their cell phone out, they can quickly enter their hours and have the faculty sign off, yes, these hours are accurate. Or I think about pre-licensure, which we're still working on that aspect, but I can speak to the skill set, right? Did the student complete that skill successfully in the hospital, such as inserting a Foley catheter or an NG tube? Did they perform the skill to meet our expectations, yes or no, right? Or is there an opportunity for that student to go back and review that skill with the registered nurse at the bedside or with their clinical faculty? And so the students are very positive about what we're offering. They look forward to using the system quite a bit more. One thing I could also add is that once a student graduates from our university, sometimes we'll get an email that's maybe from a student who was with us 5 years ago. And then we have to go in and find the data. How many clinical hours did that student complete while they were enrolled in our program? So having this information stored in Exxat Prism, the student can download that information and keep it with them. So when they change jobs or move to a new state, they can pull that report that they have and share that with the new employer. I believe we adopted Exxat Prism maybe 4 years ago. I may be a little bit off on the time. However, our dean at the time decided to start with clinical placement first. That's been the biggest hurdle that we've been able to overcome. But let's not just use it for clinical placement, because it's so much more than clinical placement.